Hey everyone, is Gmail not sending or receiving email on your phone or computer? Don't worry, this is a common problem. In this video, I'll show you simple and effective ways to fix Gmail email issues step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data. A weak or unstable connection is the most common reason emails don't send or update. Step 2. Turn on Gmail scan. Now open the Gmail app, go to settings, select your Gmail account and make sure scan Gmail is turned on. If scan is off, new emails won't appear. Step 3. Check Google storage space. If your Google storage is full, Gmail may stop receiving emails. Check your Google Drive storage and delete unnecessary files if needed. Once storage is available, emails should start coming in again. Step 4. Check the outbox. If Gmail is not sending email, open the outbox folder. If emails are stuck there, tap on them and try sending again. You can also delete the email and resend it. Step 5. Turn off airplane mode and VPN. Make sure airplane mode is turned off. If you are using a VPN, disable it temporarily. Sometimes VPN can block Gmail from connecting to its servers. Step 6. Clear Gmail app cache. Now clear the Gmail app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Gmail Storage and Cache. Clear cache. This helps fix bug without deleting your emails. Step 7. Update the Gmail app. Open the Play Store and update the Gmail app. Using an outdated app can cause sending and receiving problems. Last option, remove and re-add your account. If the issue still continues, remove your Gmail account and add it again. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google Remove Account, restart your phone, then sign in again. And that's it. These steps should fix Gmail not sending or receiving emails. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tips.